In this video, I'll show you how to protect your pump from a potentially faulty float switch that may occasionally get stuck in the on position. Open the excessive run alert settings and set the max run duration. Open the pump protection settings, enable excessive run as a trigger, and set the auto reset to a reasonable value. Now, if the pump runs longer than the predefined excessive run duration, the alert will trigger the protection feature, cutting power to the pump for the duration of the auto reset.